Here's a problem related to Vegas Pro. I just pressed a button, I think this one, generated media. Okay, and nothing happens. The window won't appear. The window that I want to use is actually down here in the taskbar. And of course I cannot grab it from there. So to solve that problem, right click the taskbar, unlock the taskbar. Okay, now it's unlocked. Now simply drag the taskbar and move it, let's say, to the right. And there it is. So now it's on the bottom, now it's on the right side. Okay, and now I can access my window. Now let's move the taskbar back. Okay, and lock it back. Now it's locked. And if it's locked, you cannot move it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.